Alright, what's good, YouTube? Um, this would be my very first video on the channel. I'm just gonna break this down really quick of a trade that I took on Thursday. This was the only trade I took this week. When the week wasn't great, right? But it's the only trade I took this week, being disciplined and stuff like that. So, I'll just break this down and I'll show proof that I took this trade. Cause I traded with Sway Market, so I'll just insert like screenshot. Right. And yeah, I was thinking of doing a face cam for this video, but I don't feel like it's necessary. I'm gonna be doing like live streams and stuff like that, but for those I'll do like the webcams and stuff like that. But for this one, I didn't feel like I needed it or I need it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over it. And now maybe in the future I'll add it on, but right now I don't feel like I need it. So anyways, let me just go over this really quick. And as you can see, I trade on a 30-minute. So yeah, this was GBPUSD. And let me just rewind it so it makes sense. So like in the mornings, you know what I mean? I wake up like 7. I gotta take my daughter to school for 8 o'clock. So I get back home at maybe 8:10, 8:15ish. And then that's when I get around, on my desk and stuff like that. And then I'll look for setups, or if the market look like it's gonna be choppy that day, then I'll, probably look, just leave it alone and go do something else. So this was during New York too, by the way. And I also trade London sometimes. So what time is this? Okay, that's still 6 o'clock. So yeah, hold on. Okay, so this right here, like I seen this like when I woke up, because I don't just jump to like my desk like when I wake up. You know what I mean? I have TradingView on my phone, right? So I have TradingView on my phone, so I may glance at it when I wake up, but I can't. I don't have time in the morning to actually come to my desk and do all that, right? So like I said, I trade London sometimes. So I was kind of watching the market during London. I was watching multiple markets. So I seen this, right? I think no, was it GBPUSD? No. It was in NZ, what you call it, NZD USD. So it was NZD USD that did a move, and then I was kind of just watching NZD USD, Euro USD, AU USD. You know what I mean? I was watching all of those just because NZD USD did a move. So I was anticipating one of these to do something. And then when I woke up, I seen like this setup. You know what I mean? Like I seen this setup formed, and this is just a swing low right here. This is a swing high, and then you have a swing low, and then you have this push towards the upside. And I was just waiting until it came back into an imbalance. Right now, like I said, I trade on a 30-minute, so it was no rush. And then you have midnight open and stuff like that. So yeah, so like I said, I get back home like 8:10, 8:15. So let's just fast forward until then. What time is this? 8:30. So at this point, I'm sitting at my computer, right? It was news that came out at 8:30, so I wasn't gonna get in the trade right here because I was thinking about getting in right here, but then I'm like, okay, no, I was thinking about getting in like right here because it's 8:30. I'm sitting down right here, but I'm like, okay, news coming out at 8:30. Let me just wait. Okay, it pushed midnight open, but then it closed up here. Okay, and then I noticed this right here, right? I noticed this right here, and I'm like, okay, we could potentially trade up there. And this setup looks nice because it's market structure shift. And then news was coming out at 10. So I was looking to get in like right here on the breaker. Right, this candle right here. So I just put my entry right here. And Sway Market had a little bit of a spread, so it didn't get me in as soon as it touched it. And then so I put my entry right here, stop loss right here at the low. And as you can see, this was the news right here at 10 o'clock. So I got in, you know what I mean? I put my entry right here. You know what I mean? I put a buy limit. And then I put my take profit all the way up here. And as you can see, it got me in. And then it kind of played around, right? It kind of, gave me a little bit of hope, right? Like it was going up, then it did this during news, came all the way down here. But I didn't panic because this was a really good setup. And then if I would have lost, then, I just would have lost. It is what it is. So then, right, news did that. And then after that, right, so right here, I took partials right here after it broke this high. And then when it ran up to like the midpoint right here, I took some more partials. So I took partials on this candle and this candle. And then I let the rest run towards my stop loss. And then, as you can see, it just ran. And yeah, that's it for the trade. I mean, it was a really good setup. It was a high probability setup. The only setup that I took for the week. And yeah, this got me, let me just exit that. So this got me a 2.7 RR. But like I said, I took partials here. I took partials in between here. And the rest of my trade, I let run over here. And that's just the breakdown. GBPUSD. And it's crazy because I haven't traded this since like last year. And I don't mean like December type stuff. I mean like around August. I haven't traded this since like maybe August. So, right, it's crazy. Once you get, an edge on the market and you just, be patient and let your setup play out. I mean, this stuff works on anything. But yeah, that's just the breakdown. And like I said, I will insert screenshots of my entry and the time and stuff that it got me in from Sway Market, because I trade on Sway Market. And if you want to join Sway Market, I'll have a link in the description, but you don't have to join, but it's just there just if you want to. But yeah, it's just a trade breakdown. And yeah, I'm out.